County Seed Adventures here. We just pulled up a few goodies. That looks like a top bolt stud from a car shock. There's a baggie here with a, looks like it might be a padlock for a gun, and we all know what that is, don't we? That's a magazine there. Huh. That's a magazine for sure. But this here is a brand new padlock in a bag. Let's see if we can't get that open there. Oh, there's one key. There's one key. There's another key. It's brand new. Ah, it says Ruger. We all know what a Ruger, what that stands for. That's a Ruger padlock. And a magazine. And that looks like the top of a electric pole where one of those glass insulators was screwed onto that. But there we go. Now we just got to find what it goes to. County Seed Adventures, you know it. We're cleaning it up one piece at a time, and we're finding some cool stuff.